Hey guys, it's Julia. It's been like forever, I know. I'm sorry that I've been making videos. I haven't been making videos because I've had a camera, but for some reason when I use it, like, what is it? Oh yeah, the recording thing, like the voice, the microphone, that doesn't work for some reason, so I haven't been using that. And my Logitech camera, it's all blurry because of the hairspray. I think I have a video for that. If I do, then I'll have like a link somewhere. I don't know. But anyways, what day is it? It's the 7th. So 4th of July just happened. Do you hear that? I'm like filing my nails because I totally had this all planned out. I need to start writing this down. Dyed my hair, purple twice today. Oh, I know what I was going to talk about. Okay, so I was going to make a video earlier today, but then my mom started cleaning the kitchen. I was like, hey, what are you doing? She's like, oh, I'm just filming these with ice. I'm going to clean the kitchen. I'm like, oh. So I waited, and she was like done after like 5 minutes, and then she starts cleaning the kitchen. And I'm like, what you doing? She's like, cleaning the kitchen. I'm like, oh, okay. And then, so she starts doing dishes and crap, and then she's like, oh my god, and I'm like, oh, just hurry up, right? Because I want to like see you guys, because I miss you guys, like, so much. I miss you. But anyways, she was doing the dishes, and then like 5 minutes later, again, she started cleaning the counter, and I'm like, oh my god, really? And I don't like filming videos. I would have filmed, but I don't like filming when there's noise in the background because I hate it because it's loud and annoying and stupid, and I can't focus. I usually can't focus anyways, but you know, whatever. So she's cleaning the counters and like just staring at her like, and she's cleaning the counters. She's like, and then she did something and I wasn't even paying attention, but then she came over to the trash can and then she started cleaning the other counter. I'm like, ah! And then she started cleaning out the sink again, and she was finally done. She's like, okay, I'm done. I'm like, yes. And then I get up, and then and then she starts doing more stuff. I'm like, are you making dinner? She's like, no, I'm gonna wait till it's cooler. I don't even know what she's doing. She's making tea. I'm like, really? You're making tea after you said you were done? Why? And then, and then she starts like, and she leaves, and I'm like, yes! So I go, and I run over to the counter, right? And then she comes back. And she gets some ice, and then she pours tea into her water bottle, and I'm like, oh my god, really? And then she leaves, and I was like, yay, finally, I can make a video. And so yeah. Oh, my birthday is in like 20, no, not 20 days, I mean like 21, no, 19 days? Yeah, 19 days, the 21st. If I post this video today, unless I post it tomorrow, then it will be in 18 days. But my dad's birthday is in like 2 days. And then my friend's birthday is in like 3. And then my other friend's birthday is in like 4. And then one of my other friends is tomorrow. I know so many people with birthdays in July. So you should go check out Yoda Kenobi if you don't haven't already subscribed to them. I think they are making another channel. I'm not sure what it's called. I'll find that out. It's pretty cool stuff though. Like they have a band, Science and Burgundy, and Yoda Kenobi, she is one of the singers and guitarists of the band. And she is Science, and then her other friend is Burgundy. So she's making science videos, and I help film them. Kind of suck at filming because then I like forget, and then I look at the science instead of the camera, and I'm like,
Inglewood always up to no good. Even Hollywood trying to get a piece, baby. Sacramento, where you at? Throw it up, y'all. Throw it up. I can't see ya.
Next, you put on your lip gloss. Wait, that's not lip gloss. Here we are. And then go. I'm not listening to music. Just headphones. What? 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 Kind of this video now. So I will be making lots more videos. I'm thinking about making a second channel for my music. So the music on this channel. Yoda Kenobi. She has a new channel. I said that right? Maybe her new channel down there. I'll have my new channel down there. And the whatchamacallit. I love whatchamacallit. Oh my god. What? I can't. I'm filming right now.
She gave me okay. And in Mama's video titled Theater Vlog Deserves a Hug. Hug, thanks for subscribing. She gave me a virtual hug. Oh my god. And then she said, P.S. I tried calling your friend who must not want to stalk it as bad things since he's not
So as I was saying, go subscribe to Yoda Kenobi, and she's pretty excited about that crap right now. I'll have a link down there in the whatever. So bye guys, Julia.